Now moving to our next chapter, which is our fourth chapter. Now we are going to study the revolutions and the war that took place in the world. The chapter's name is World Revolution and Wars. Revolutions and wars have occurred throughout human history. They have shaped the political and territorial boundary of the country. Do you know how deadly the World War II was? Let us know about the revolutions and the wars throughout the time. Revolution is taken from the Latin word revolution, which means turn around. Revolution refers to sudden change in political power. It occurs when the population revolts against the government. Revolutions have occurred through human history, resulting in major changes. First one, American Revolution 1775 to 83. The colonies of British America became independent in America Revolution of 1776. The moment was the first European colony to claim independence. Second, French Revolutions, which was from 1789 to 1799. The French Revolution marked the decline of powerful monarchies and church and the rise of democracy and nationalism. This brought in Renaissance in Europe. Third one, Serbian Revolution 1804 to 1835. The Serbian Revolution was a national uprising and constitutional change in Serbia. The revolution evolved the Ottoman province into modern Serbian state. Next one, Russian Revolution, which was in 1917. The Russian Revolution of 1917 marked the end of Romanov dynasty. After the revolution, the Bolsheviks led Vladimir Lenin seized power. Next one, World War I, which was in 1914 to 1918. World War I began in 1994 and lasted 4 years. During the conflict, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria and Ottoman Empire were the central powers who fought against Great Britain, France, Russia, Italy, Romania, Japan and United States, who were the Allied powers. World War II, which was from 1939 to 1945. World War II began in 1939 and extended from next 6 years. It was fought between Axis power, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the Allied powers, Britain, United States, Soviet Union, and France. Almost all the nations got involved in this war. It was the deadliest war in the human history, with about 70 million people killed. Cold War. The Cold War was a long period of tension between the democracies of Western world and the countries of the Eastern Europe. The Cold War reached its peak in 1962 with Cuban Missile Crisis. However, there was no direct warfare between the two superpowers and thus no casualties. The Cold War ceased to exist after the downfall of Soviet Union in 1991. Gulf War, which was in 1990 to 1991. The Gulf War, code name Operation Desert Shield and Operation Desert Storm, was a war led by forces led by United States against Iraq in response to Iraq's invasion of Kuwait. After a year-long intense fight, Iraq accepted terms of ceasefire agreement on April 6, 1991. The ceasefire formally took effect from April 11, 1991. Afghanistan War 2001 till present. The war started following the September 2001 attacks upon Twin Towers and World Trade Center. US launched attack on Afghanistan in October 2001. The conflict is still on. The Taliban have stronghold on most of the Afghanistan. Now moving with this, we completed all the important wars which were there going around the world. Now we reach to the quiz corner and we have to answer the question. So our first question is, he was the leader of Soviet Union during World War II, and the answer is Stalin, Joseph Stalin. I repeat, the answer is Joseph Stalin. Second question, who was the Commander General of Italy during World War II? And the answer to it is Benito Mussolini. I repeat, the answer is Benito Mussolini. Third one, what was the last battle of World War II? And the answer to it is Battle of Okinawa. I repeat, the answer is Battle of Okinawa. Your fourth question. When did Japan surrender in World War II? When did Japan surrender in World War II? And the answer is 1945. I repeat, the answer is 1945. Fifth one. What was the most intense incident of Cold War? What was the most intense incident of Cold War? And the answer is Cuban Missile Crisis. I repeat, the answer is Cuban Missile Crisis. Now moving to a last question, that is, how many days did the Gulf War last? How many days the Gulf War last? And it lasted about 42 days. So the answer is 42 days. I repeat, the answer is 42 days. With this, we completed our fourth chapter as well. Of course, do let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below, and keep studying. Stay tuned.